In this video, we're going to go ahead and set it up so our weight trigger is actually linked to a door. So that way when we, have enough weight on the door, we can open it and kind of just go from there. So to do this, we're going to go ahead and copy this U property, and we're going to do the same exact thing, but change UBox component to the door. So a door. Let's just name it linked door. Okay. So in the weight trigger.cpp, we want to also include the door as well. Not going to show me. Okay, what am I missing here? Oh, that's right. I can probably just do door.h, can I? No? Did I call it something else? What is it then? Actors, door.h. Okay, I guess I messed up something there. Anyhow. So, we have door.h. Let's go through. On component begin overlap, we want to be able to do something with the door. So for starters, we want to check it. So if we want to do this on the server, so if we have authority, we also want to cast the, sorry, not cast, but try to calculate the weight from the other actors as well. But for now, we're just going to do if has authority and linked door, so that we know they're all valid. We want to then open the door. So linked door, interact, and for now we can just pass in, I don't think we're doing anything with it. Let's check the interact. We're checking if character is valid in order to get the inventory. So in which case we can actually go through and have a separate function just for this. Let's go to the header. And let's create some functions. So void force open. So here we can do a percentage. So float percentage, and this is going to be the weight, or better yet, float weight. And script, we'll just leave it as the name open, so that way we can overload it if we want to with different parameters. And inside of here, we just want to simply open it. So if has authority, all we're going to do is pretty much what this is doing. So for the time being, we are going to go through and just open the door. So inside of weight trigger, link door, open. And here we can just pass in 0 because it doesn't really matter. But that's really it. So we open the door, and I think it's just toggling. Yeah, it is. It's just toggling the door. So each time, so what we can do is in that on overlap end, we can call it again and it'll close it. Go ahead and set this up and give it a try. Okay, let's click on our overlap, our weight trigger, link door. We can set it to our door right here. And let's make it so it's a little bit easier to be seen. So we're going to offset it just to the right side. Okay, walk over, we'll open the door, walk away, we close it. This is also being replicated as well. And same thing when the server does it. So we have it set up and it's working, and that will allow us to pass in a weight that we want to have the door being opened up to. So eventually we're going to move the door over to having kind of like this animation. We're probably going to use an animation blueprint and have the weight be what controls the total percentage that the door gets open. So we're going to have a set percent that the door requires to fully open. And that's going to be just kind of what dictates how far it opens. So if it's, let's say we have it at 100 kilos for the full open, and we pass in 50 kilos for the current weight of the overlap, or the amount of actors that are in the overlap. What we're going to do is we're going to only open the door 50% of the way. So we're going to have to just basic math and go from there, but that shouldn't be all that hard. Anyhow, that's going to be it for this video. And if you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below. I have a Team Deathmatch series just for patrons where we use Unreal Engine with C++ to create Team Deathmatch, along with a bunch of other features like weapon customization, custom spawning and all that fun stuff, as well as you get early access to my videos, such as this one. So, if you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to join my Discord down below as well, and I'll help you out. So, see you in the next video.